Mame Mao Akwaba Efa Umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Ama sika say ya fe osikani Kennedy akapon ka sebi fight ni waka fight ni I contract ahodo akase na den na ye me mobo yin hu ye me enwanwa ye pa ne say Kennedy na ye se ko afele pa on peso aso gaye obaji wo jaye gaye obaji ye sebi woni din busana de won peso aso a wono every NPP ni permissible na obi ndc ni abafa obi a woni din want me am policy obi ama na medina wachi. Who should have a president? One person also want man control everybody that place. Want man in be papa. I want pass also. The whole Ghana na function Kennedy. We are Mguaso for Jai. Mon can say some so in Mguaso for Onya no yam no kwana ya bema. Na bema no sabi ka fache. O sika no ntina manfo di wachi. Na kaka foto amanfo di bema wa. Ka wachi nsam no ka time. E ma kura se sabi ka fache Kennedy na baba yam to ma. NPP Mao, yeti entoma me no kra ba ko pe amanfo suro ene entimi nkan. Sebi the way I was a casa, no yo, I saw a man and income for sebi. And near my Kennedy, yo, a man for impact. Nanama him for sebi, minimum pack. Because sebi, I hunt any gain, sebi casabia, over dip in the atamano, yan fancy ofi, and to one yai, the warrior. I are pre-printer. Who catch a python who try to one ya? Master python. Who are you? Uncle and a sebi cafe of just one person. Kasacha omo say sebi o kasa na eduru baby obi abaka say sebi krama na pawie sebi sesera o akwada NPP baba power me binu manu ankwase nanso sebi papa nyame se nka na kra we mu na sebi NPP baba power obasa sore kiki oba pretumi mo fa ne nche baby wose wani appoint na uda ayi ayi bebrebe so ta say we see you say nyame se nka na kra eduru baby nka na kra nche dan fo yen sada fa bro.
Mr. President, the blessings then Yankopon de ma wona obetina akonwa no so no. Or the oba say be see the cathedral no man. Because against all odds, and I'll buy. The see cathedral no man. The say me catch us a time is eluding you. Every single second there baby na time no elude. Na Bible chire say Woma Yankopon shomo so munye bibi ma mo manye. The curses go from generation to generation. But omo beji Yankopon di aye no so the blessings goes from generation to generation.
But lawyer, sorry for butting it. Ebia who said and said you say areas the global village obi be call the internet no so. Na we could read near maybe why na yen kiosa near man ejina 6 July, that was in the month of July. Obi opposed to it, I think rightly so, because and also obosu eka honse. Obi Redina or say President John Mahama has announced that the abandoned National Cathedral site will be converted into a National Cultural Convention Center. The new center will feature a multi-purpose arena, amphitheater, exhibition pavilions, and a creative economy hub. This forms part of his 24-hour economy plan to promote Ghana's culture, arts, sports, and tourism. So this is posted on the net. Yeah, National Cathedral, say, Ena, Omateni, and also Bedaneno, at the
well, yet say, you can't see Sandino. Last time, Minister of Local Government and Religion, the Koi or say, no, be so person done and obey 250 million. Yes, see, they are done no higher. So, we see some unity be a mom, say, honey, a pastor enough, they are canome, they are in your mouth floor. Yatiti say, be brave. And so, President, into the Numutu, say, be a me percent we are, and as a PD way. And the time we had to the Numutu, and so called and say, okay, say, yes, stay here for instance, got the time in the Nanyajin. So for instance, got the Ayabi. And on to the Numutu, say President, when you have found, went to the new say, okay, baby, I drew. And National Cathedral yet was. Neil be anting once is okay. But
last week, what was some Boso National Cathedral before the press. Says still in Shushemu.
No, making saying Shushemu, and a national cathedral and a board near, a company limited by guarantee. In 2 person good crown and as also yes, or court na coaches on my bonibia, no my and numebia and fata. And sana court na ma kwan say ye. Into most of the time, and some no more can. And in your man no move to go up on Tihosano. Ah, na, asifim kakra. Maybe the minya juma ma bang. But omo we are banging, we are juma because of Emranti and omo juma ma the constitution inti. Inti I say a man for di emranoso. No who say okay, a creature we say net here. Inti say yes, here dealing with him. Inti president on to the news officer, National Cathedral for now a bonibi and I be kosu why any year. Oh man, attorney general court. Now uncle of an asem kotu na yenso yen for ye answer enko. Ye we na se see entuma. And send ye yako through, but behind all that no so no. You see National Cathedral. National Cathedral, no cathedral, it means something in the Bible. Eye bibi, baby ye sum nyame. Na National Cathedral you see since a particular one. Eye apart from cathedral, nanka say nyoma bebre Bible museum ene nyoma bebre o ha. Ebe bo Christopher ni omo person mo research. Omo bo omo nim Christo sum papa na person mo hu kwa betima kwa research. It eye monumental bi ayesi. I been go for years and years, hundreds of years. Grab a cornice that's to say the Oko England, the first world year. But we no monument, this year, we a cathedral. Yes, we King James Church. You see, you father the abo, they see that's what you know on there. It's in a no moment, dear. Say, President C. Say, me the president, I come because yatete. Say, no name position. Say, young fan, baby, I baby see or the Yanko pass sorry down. Yen find cultural center and the rest of it, which I be Ghana ha. And we won't credit the rest. President Bitman develop to so develop on it here. And you said President Nankasa.
But as the lawyer for the cathedral, a woman almost invitable for investigations and now say it's because they clarify no be who last time who said yes cathedral or say yes support monumental to be manunko waste but will fear na what it is some years you are the crowd one shot no more a diverted the before for said a war with internet here are you being because Deloitte and Tush I think I got it right.
Yes.
KPNG also washiship and debe what exactly? So I buy an APCC.
So far as I'm concerned, they mean who say you should be because it is even more than a forensic audit. We are very complicated operations. They be years and years and years. First because they are complicated into by forensic audit. Me who say it is a way. Kiane ki yesi epe bibi. Adwene ya na yesi epe bibi. Nieka.
Give a dog a bad name and hang it.
And I just say what would you obey? Me the sana me hunu mundi personally or my personal opinion. But if it is not also there, then let us see quickly because now you were
Ben court see how you tell me
court but say what your state operatives, some investigations of corruption, disbursement, security and man. Yeah, Omako, friend is saying OSP, corruption. OSP be seen. Otimi fashion my. Now if it's OSP will be one government.
Oh, until 7 o'clock.
OSP. Yizu NIB. NIB and say cry. Free yakoi. Quay. Yeah. Intimia. We a lawyer, and then I'm starting to me practice law. My criminal law, sir, the Masabes corporate, na civil, na nyoma. So my firm kakra, I have the experience and the competence to be able to tell. I haven't seen anything. Into sir, delay and the rest of it. National Cathedral has got contracts with contractors. Mm-hmm. The delay is having an adverse effect on the contractors. Because they cannot wait forever.
Oh, okay.
They cannot wait forever. It is a employee be a delay. Say there be a contractor, so no because okay, near total. Yeah, because you need to be busy. But even that, there are consequences. There are consequences of breach of contract. I just say, I was say National Cathedral no, a copy sikadi kutwetwa. Omoka. Enti yesre. Yadi who said bibi any ho. It is a bibi wo hokura po na. Say obi nipa de sani bi no why bibi. Yet isolate as a minister is we isolating here the court. It does not mean that the project should stop. And out to the maker say. A minister is a project in Ijina. So obi na years ka oha and obi na aye bibia. Ajina wo ka say the preamble and the beginning of the project was wrong. It is not right in law. It is not right in any law in this country, and therefore the projects must cease. But so we can say, forensic audit to what? Forensic audit to what? Is it to find out that somebody did something wrong or somebody embezzled funds? If even it's to that, the person must be held accountable. Whilst the cathedral, goes on, Ajay who contest it with the mere existence of the cathedral. That is a separate matter. And so did they make say, yes, that is a separate matter. And I don't think that is what the president is doing. It's in the president, all my cathedral and Koso.
But have you been asking questions? To what end?
Yeah, we say a lot of questions. The other day, a local government minister, because we are 99.9% of it, man. From 2022, ABC 9 months.
On the year cathedral, 99.9.
2022, I raise and your money almost almost train. ABC 9 months into this time. Why 99.9%? Debbie, Mr. Minister, in fact, what you are doing is you are delaying. You didn't share 2 times.
The current minister under this administration, local government.
You didn't share 2 times. The time is going.
Oh, yes, Edgeman way.
So
I had a 99.9%
of Adiano. Me sure say it is Mr. Minister. A government to Namutu. Someone person you see cathedral ni biamonka. Na sa delay it has consequences. The consequences in breach of contract, breach of agreements, which raises huge sums of money in terms of damages and the rest of it. But
for the layman OT will feel ABL council Sunday me intro na be kind nanado no one can atonko for no share the border say so some people believe say it's not for the state. Yes, and any state meboa
anya no kreda eni nyina ka ho bi no mkeka say the be ombegu ade no hu fi say the be ombe de omoye no anya no kreda. So incorporation documents of the National Cathedral now. The beneficial owner are National Museums and Monuments. Now, National Museum ni monuments are wine there, are bind there, are Ghana for there. It is a beneficial owner, National Museums and the Yidia, and another there. At the end, say,
propaganda, and another no say the China, what Israel, what share the border, and then so mine a propaganda.
Propaganda. Now, dear, or no dear. Also, be see National Cathedral. I said, the beer, Mr. President Mahama and Suka said, Obebuami is National Mosque. Obuami is here. Also, be see Obebuami. But that time, no, a campaign man or a candidate for the presidency. Obey a president, no. Yes, who your president, who you may become who there be by a human now, and no go through the process. Who's another lawyer? It will go through process, no. And Sunday, catches okay, Nana. Of course, Supreme Court quite a ruling was added. And so, okay, and they made to be sinti, a pesha CSC. And no cast, okay, Sadia, Yadia and Pesse, Yadia Ay3ka be singing. Into a partnership between Abain and a Christophony benevolent societies. So, and Joshua buying Bema assassin, which Abayama. Also, Bema seed money, which Abayama. Also, Bema secretariat. Wama. And I think Crawford do musika aba and yegusu ayesie. Say yes, I hitch by 2022 no started the political banter. Basi some point and can be sure about National Cathedral get but because of that, but it is proceed. We need closure. Yeah, closure because there are issues that are coming up. And the process and say Wapayo say oh yendi line contractor for no maka. But here we problem. ya will see it to resolve your problems no ni hu si cathedral ni yesi ahye nyame nuonyam te se de nanado ka se obesi cathedral ka national cathedral da ahye nyame nuonyam anase government yi say and of the be you friend saying the cultural center dey no man so and you but o hear o manifesto na o the bar power ya manifesto na wo mu say o mo ba o be audit ya yawi ya de bibia ba e de be biom. What again? Na nipa asofo akuku damomo gan.
Ba bomoni omushia almost audit no more and because we know sa audit firm we know it's one of the best
in the world.
Yes, in the world. Omo misgivings bi wo hunti na as a lawyer wo no say omo kan chem say audit na nkoyi am omo ana bi omo ka bibia chem kokwa we need to know about.
Last time you call share a local government minister no. The grievances go to nanim. And you might see can say this Asaki secretariat in here. No, it is baffling. It is a dynamic. You try baby or Bema. I am ranting here to what travel. The best thing I'll be to my will be Dimrano so. Brana do buy and so with this. So in this would ya, or Chinabi or Brana nobody. O to the mechanism. And you know the previous government, no president now. Yeah, the power man said the president here, the power man. Oh no, yeah, Adiano. It is right, rightfully, by mandate of the constitution and by the operation of the executive arm. Oh no, yeah, Adiano. And also say, Mashisheno. I see yeah, quine. Now, government, na quine, filisu. Na government for Biaba. A quine, a public quine. Is either so bad to us. And I'll be that to us and will be for Froba no about betwaso. And I'm a boy. But also, so we kind of feel when I saw the year before. There's some moment to when I can't cock from chromosome penny. Omega say, oh boy, bro. And yeah, Christopher, yeah, who be that? Yeah, who said that yeah, President is ya Fabwa Islam for Muslims, no. Yeah, first on your kakre be mine because me who government building be a for a Christians, I see.
I'm a sick as say, Yafu Sikani Kennedy at the home. Sabi, fighting in the waka. Fighting, I contact a hood worker, Kasia. Now then, none I am a mobile in who ye me, and 1 year pan say, can I deny us a coffee? On Peswaso Gaia or Beji, who Jaya Gaia or Beji. Sabi, needing. But there were one Peswaso, no. Every NPP need to miss it, not or be and this in the other fact, or be a winning. One to me and policy will be, I'm an amateur. Who should have a president? One person who want to man control everybody that place. One to man be papa. I want pass also. The whole Ghana name function, Kennedy. We are Guasso for Jai. One can say some so in Guasso for one year, no one can have Bema. No Bema no Sabi Cafacha, who seek an until a month for 2 weeks. Naka foot to a month for the Mama. Kawachin Samono, cat time. And my brother says Sabi Cafacha, Kennedy, Baba, young tomorrow. NPP Mao, Yeti and Tomau, men of Crab, a man for slow and the entering can. Sebi, the way I was a casa, New York, a sort of man, any income for Sebi. And near my Kennedy, a man for impact. Nanama him for Sebi, minimum pack. Because Sebi, a hand tiny gang is Sebi Casabia, who be deep in the atamano, young fancy in the coffee. And to 1 year, the warrior. I have printer. Who catch a python who try for 1 year? Master python. Who are you? Unquan and Sebi Cafe, just one person. Casacha almost say, Sebi. O Casana, do baby of Yabacasi, Sebi Cramana Pari, Sebi, Cicera, or Aquada. NPP Baba Power may be one more cross. Now, so Sebi Papa, I'm saying, can I pray women as Sebi, NPP Power, or Bassa, sorry, kick, or by preaching. Monfanisha baby. What's when you appoint, you know, would die a pair of baby. So I say, where's you? Just say, I'm saying, can I pray, baby, and can I pray down for your set of a bro. O preto me na so kasa wa kwanchen. O pe bibia so kasa. Ka wan sai wachi aka just now no ka wa support.